Automated Healthcare, a wholly owned subsidiary of McKesson Corporation, is proud to bring you the first comprehensive, patient-centered solution to the challenge of medication use, distribution, and administration in today's hospitals. Our mission, as a company and as your partner in healthcare delivery, is to raise the standards of medication management to a new level through automation and barcode technology, innovative product design, and world-class service. Our industry-proven robot enables hospitals to reduce medication errors and achieve significant cost savings in labor and inventory. Operating in a unit dose environment, the robot automates each aspect of the medication dispensing process, including dispensing, checking, crediting, restocking, and inventory control for over 95% of a hospital's current formulary. Although significant changes in departmental operating procedures are not required, the robot allows you to re-engineer your medication use process to compete in an ever-increasing managed care environment. Barcode technology builds in safeguards for accuracy, reducing the risk of error and improving documentation of each dose, from order entry through administration.
At the University of Wisconsin Hospital and Clinics, we've found that barcode technology is the most efficient and effective way to link patient medication orders with active dispensing. Not only has it reduced medication errors, but it has allowed us to use our personnel much more efficiently.
To meet the ever-increasing demand for robot-ready unit dose packaging, Automated Healthcare is working with companies like UDL Laboratories, the nation's leading packager of generic drugs, to provide hospitals with barcoded, robot-ready unit dose packaging. This effort will establish a packaging standard for automated drug distribution systems and will help nursing and pharmacy to close the loop on the medication use process. In addition to robot-ready unit dose medications, Automated Healthcare continues to assist wholesalers in providing hospitals with prepackaged, barcoded unit dose medications for the robot. With the robot, community hospitals to large medical centers have already documented impressive savings and significant reduction in missing doses. Hospitals like Altman Medical Center have exceeded their expectation towards meeting their investment goal in the robot.
The use of the system has helped the pharmacy department reduce staff from 54 to 45 FTEs, resulting in annual savings of more than $200,000. We also reduced missing medication doses by 50%, decreased our inventory costs, and improved our turnaround time.
In today's outcomes-oriented healthcare environment, the emphasis is not only on cost-effective patient management, but on quality. Unlike other automated systems, the robot is based on a patient-centered approach to healthcare, helping hospitals improve the quality of care by decreasing the number of medication errors and missing doses, and increasing productivity through process simplification and reduced paperwork. At Hammett Medical Center, which experienced an increase in the volume of daily pharmacy transactions, the robot has enabled them to absorb this increase in workload without a corresponding increase in staff.
We hope to further redeploy our pharmacists for clinical impact. We anticipate that the most significant savings will be achieved through the quality improvement and cost savings associated with this redeployment of our pharmacists to more patient-centered activities.
The patient-centered healthcare model demands the restructuring of care within an institution. The process is aided by the robot, a system designed to maximize staff resources and quality management.
At Thomas Jefferson University Hospital, our decentralized pharmacies accomplish time demand functions such as stat and first doses. They also help to enhance our pharmacists' ability to be actively involved as part of the patient care team. With our automated pharmacy station handling drug distribution and inventory control, we will be able to reassign more pharmacists to patient-oriented medication monitoring programs, and we will also realize significant labor savings.
In operating the robot, a technician selects the medication fill function from the easy-to-use graphical presentation on one of the PC workstations, as well as the patient unit to be filled. Technicians simply scan the barcode label on the patient containers or cassettes, which identifies it with a specific bed. A patient barcode is produced for each new patient and is placed on the cassette. On existing patients, the robot will only verify that they did not transfer to another bed since medications were last dispensed. If the patient did transfer to another bed, the robot will produce a new barcode label. If the patient was discharged, the system will alert the technician to remove the old barcode label and generate a new one if a different patient is now in that bed. After the cassette scanning process, a technician places all the containers on the robot conveyor in any order, usually a nursing unit at a time. As the technician tends to other duties in the department, the robot scans the bed and patient barcode as it moves down the conveyor and matches the patient with the proper medication order. Scheduled medications, new orders, and bed location status are sent to the robot and continually monitored via a standard HL7 interface, which has now been developed and implemented for over a dozen major hospital and pharmacy information systems throughout the country. After the robot scans the patient barcode, it retrieves all the required doses to be administered to the patient that is assigned to each cassette from the robot storage racks. As the robot picks each drug, it checks that it is the correct medication and verifies the current dating on the package. Expired drugs are discarded, and recalled drugs can be easily removed from the system. After retrieving a patient's entire order, the robot places the medications on the patient cassette and moves on to the next patient. The robot can typically retrieve a patient's complete order in 30 seconds or less. The robot generates a manual pick list for those drugs not stored in the system. Typically, manual picks make up less than 5% of the total medication dispensing volume. Hospitals check manually retrieved drugs with easy-to-use software and barcode technology. Before transporting the medications to the nursing units, a technician will select the pre-delivery check process on the robot menu. This feature allows the technician to do a final update on the orders to be delivered. The robot will check its database and prompt the technician if any new orders have been placed or changed. The technician can place a cassette back on the robot conveyor to be updated, thus providing an up-to-the-minute and complete order for nursing. Each day, as medications are returned to the pharmacy that were not administered, technicians simply place the returned medications on the movable storage rack in any order. The robot, when not filling scheduled or new orders, will put them away while crediting the patient's bill and inventory. Finally, the robot is linked directly to the ordering systems of most major wholesalers to facilitate automatic replenishment of the robotic system, and its powerful report writer provides valuable information on usage, dispensing times, and other useful data. Automated Healthcare is also paying special attention to automating the medication administration process. We've used barcode technology to create a closed-loop, zero-defect information system, allowing hospitals to use their point-of-care clinical information systems to read our barcoded medications. For hospitals that do not have bedside electronic charting, Automated Healthcare has developed a cost-effective system which provides online electronic verification and documentation of the medication administration function. This exciting new product, AccuScan RX, will automate the manual process of maintaining the medication administration record and enable nursing to spend more time with patient care. The potential for costly medication administration errors will also be reduced through the real-time verification that the right patient received the right drug at the right time. At Automated Healthcare, we're pleased to be setting new standards in medication management and distribution. Our robot addresses the critical concerns you face daily: cost and quality. In hospitals around the country, it is demonstrating the ability to improve accuracy, decrease drug inventories, reduce labor, and ultimately improve patient outcomes.